Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Everything Technical. This is Deepak and today we will learn about the CronJob. So before I start this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel Everything Technical. Please subscribe, and also if you have any query related this video, so you can give the comment in a comment section. So let's start with the video how we can create a cron job and what comes under the cron job and what are the values, what how we can manage the cron. So we will see in this video. So simple. In a cron we have a fifth value. First we need to know, first we are just going to know how we can open a cron. So we can use a command crontab -e. If we will use this command, on that time we can create a we can schedule a cron job. So scheduling a cron job, what we can put star, this is the value. We can put the 5 star. I'll explain this, what are these stars and what are the values, what we can put the values in that. Okay, so these are the 5 star, and if I want to do like after the 5 star, we can put the commands, what command we need to execute, what command we want to execute in a cron job. So simple, I'll just put the command touch. I want to create a file under the CentOS user. CentOS, the name will be a Deepak. Okay, so what it will do, this cron will do, it will create a file in the name of Deepak under the CentOS user. So when it will execute, so this will execute every time. If you are if you are getting this value star star star, it is a 5 star, all 5 star, so that means this cron will execute every 1 minute. Every 1 minute this will execute, all time, all day, all it will execute after 1 minute. So this is a continuous running of that particular this cron. So what the value, what we can put the value under these stars if we want to customize these things. So what we can do, so the first we can say the first star will come as a minute. We can define the minute under this star if we want to define any value. So if I want to define a value like 0 0, so this is the mean 0 minute, and after that this value comes under the hour. So this is a basically hour, this is a minute, first is a minute, second will be a star, third will be a day of month, like first to 31st, first to 30, first to 28. What the how many days are in a month, so we can put that day of the month, like date, we can say this simply, it's a date, the first date, like 1st of December, so we can put the 1st of October, so we can put the date of the day of the month, so in which day we want to execute on, in the which day. And then we have a value this star means month of year, January, February, March, April, so these are the month of the year, so in which month we want to execute. And then finally we have the last star. The last star is the mean of that last star, the day of week, in which week, first, second, third, fourth, in which week we want to execute this. So this is basically the mean of this particular values, so we can schedule a job under this. So first is a minute, hour, day of month, and the day of sorry, month of year, and the week of the month. So this is basically we can execute this, we can set the cron job. So if I'll use this and I'll just save this cron, so here Crontab, installing new Crontab. So now this cron has been scheduled. If we want to check the file after 1 minute, this cron has been executed or not, so we can check this under the log. this cron is generating a log. We can check the log, this cron, whatever cron was executed or not, at what time it was executed. So we can check it under the var log cron. So if we will use this command, all the logs of the cron we will get under the var log cron. So these are the cron what we have put in this. So we will check it after 1 minute, the what we have scheduled a cron, so that was executed or not. So here we can see it was executed on 21st 10:56 on 2. So this is executed. So we will check it, it's that file is get ready or not after scheduling a job. Home, CentOS. So here you can see this file has been created successfully with the help of this cron. So we can check it. And now if we want to check list of the cron, how many crons is running, how many crons are scheduled. So if we want to list all the crons, so we can check under the Crontab, Crontab -L. So using this command we can check the scheduled cron under the cron tab. So we have only one cron, we have one job under the cron tab. So this is showing like that. And if we want to delete that cron, particular cron entries, so we can use the command cron tab -R. So this will remove. If we want to check how many crons we have right now, so basically the cron tab -R will remove all entire jobs under the cron job. And also this is not only for the root, we can create a cron job under any users also. So this is the video how we can schedule a cron and what are the values comes under the cron job. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.